guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun Christmas lantern swag. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button below the video, and if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, just click the bell and YouTube will notify you. For this lantern swag, you're going to need 2 of these poinsettia picks from Walmart. This is so quick and simple and inexpensive. You're also going to need a large Christmas ornament, also from Walmart, $4.98, holiday time, jumbo decorative ornament, and they had them with different things in the center. And you're also going to need some ribbon for a bow. I picked up my ribbon at Sam's Club. It is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and I picked it up this Christmas at Sam's Club. You're also going to need a tall lantern, and we're ready to get started. So you're going to take your picks, fluff them, stack one on top of the other with one just a little bit higher than the other one, and take a zip tie and zip tie your 2 picks together. Next, for your bow, you're going to let out a long tail, pinch your ribbon together, make a loop, pinch it together and hold it in your left hand. Go to the other side, and we're going to make another loop. Place it with your first loop in your left hand or right hand. Let out some more ribbon, make another loop the same size as your first loop on your left side. Check to make sure they're the same size. Let out some more ribbon. Make a last loop on the right side. And then you're going to let out a long tail. And you'll want to have a zip tie close by. You are also going to need some floral wire, and I like to use 20 gauge floral wire. So once you have the tail, let out the length you want, then you're going to take your zip tie, wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. If you don't have a zip tie, you can twist floral wire around the center of your bow. So get the zip tie nice and tight, then cut off the extra part of the zip tie. Now it's time to dovetail the ends, so take your end, fold it in half with the edges to the left side. Go to your folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses your bow up, or you could just cut it at a slant or knife cut. It's whichever way you prefer. Now it's time to fluff the loops of the bow, so I like to just stick my hand in each loop and kind of open it up and shape my bow. Now I'm going to take a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, go to the back of the bow, thread the wire underneath the zip tie, and then I'm also going to add the large plastic Christmas ornament onto this wire too. This is so simple to make. You can make this entire Christmas lantern swag in less than 3 minutes. So now I'm just taking the plastic shatterproof Christmas ornament, threading it on the wire, going to give the wire a twist. Isn't that pretty? That is so cute, just those 2 together. And then we're going to take the bow wires and we're going to go to our swag that we made with our poinsettia picks from Walmart. Oh, and there's Miss Willow. She loves to check out all of my DIYs to make sure I'm doing everything okay. And my daughter had a zip tie and she's tapping it, so Willow was following it around. Okay, next I'm going to take the wires that are on my bow, go right below the zip tie, twist those wires around my little swag, and then I like to add a little hot glue around the wires and the zip tie just to make sure they don't slide or move, and I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue. And little Parker was supervising too. He was sitting on the floor watching me make this swag. And then here's my lantern. I picked it up several years ago at TJ Maxx. So first I'm adding a LED battery powered candle, and you'll want to add one with a timer and some shatterproof Christmas ornaments around it. After you have all the ornaments added that you would like, then you're going to take your wires and you're just going to go to the top of your lantern, and this one has a handle, so I just usually take the wires, twist them around that handle, and my swag is attached. Just kind of fluff and shape your poinsettias and your bow. Make sure your ornament's where you would like it. And that's it, guys. So simple and easy and inexpensive. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.